and welcome to the first lesson of Japanese. Let us start with the scripts of Japanese. Japanese has three scripts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is the Japanese authentic language, whereas katakana is used for foreign words such as engineer or tests. And then comes kanji, which is basically the pictorial representation. Now let's learn the basic that we always learn in every language, that is my name is so and so. So I in Japanese is watashi. Wa is basically the topic marker or the topic maker. Desu is almost on the end of all the sentences because it uses I am, are, is, all these particles. Kara is from, and Japanese language has no uh, 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 things like question mark, full stop, commas, or such punctuations. So we have words for these, like question mark is ka. Now mo is used for also, and no is used for belongs to something. We'll see them in the following examples later on. Then we have negative form that can be used as ja arimasen or deva arimasen. These two mean the same thing and can be used interchangeably. Now, if I want to say I am Ravi from Bangalore, it would go like Watashi wa Ravi Desu, Bangalore Kara Desu. Now, Watashi was I, Wa is topic maker, and hence it comes before Ravi because we are talking about Ravi here, right? So, Watashi wa Ravi Desu. Now, let's see about how we denote others. Like when we have prefixes like Mr. or Mistress or Mrs., we use san. These are for elder people. Whereas when we use for small kids, we use chan, Yumiko chan, etc. But when we want to specifically mention boys, like only boys, then we use kun. For example, Mr. Ravi would be Ravi's son, but if Ravi is a small kid, it would be Ravi Chan, right? Or boys in general would be kun. Let us look into professions. Professions is shigoto in Japanese. Now, teacher is sensei, student is gakusai, doctor, isha, nurse, kangoshi, policeman, kaisatsukan, farmer is noka, lawyer is bengoshi, and engineer is engineer. Here engineer, that is engineer, is example of those foreign words that I have mentioned in the previous slides. Now one more thing I would like to mention is that DESU, that you might think is spelled desu, is actually spelled as des. So now for example, like I want to say Mr. Ravi is a doctor. Now we use Mr. Ravi would be Ravi's son because it's an elder man. Va because the topic maker. Doctor is Isha and is MR, hence this. So this sentence would go like Ravi Sanba Isha des. Now I am a student. I is for Vatashi. Student is for Gakusai. Hence this sentence goes like Vatashi wa Gakusai des. That is it for this video in the Japanese lesson. In the next video, we'll be learning about countries and what they are called. Thank you.